In this video, let us have a look at probability. So if you want to find out the probability of certain event happening, what you need to do is that you need to use this formula. Basically, you have to find all the desired outcomes and then divided by total number of outcomes. Okay. So desired outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Mathematical terms, we call it a desired space divided by total sample space. So let us take example of a coin being flipped. So if you flip the coin, then what is the sample space? So if you flip the coin, then there are two possibilities. Either you will get head or tail. Let us say you want to find the probability of getting head. Then you will have to find the sample space to get the head. So that will be just this one. If you want to find the sample space for getting tail, it will be this one. Now it is very easy to find the probability of getting head or tail. All you have to do is that you have to get the sample space for the desired outcome. For example, if you want to find out the probability to get the head, what is the sample space to get the head? This is this one, right? So total number in that sample space is 1. The total sample space is 2, right? Head and tail. So 1 divided by 2. That is the probability. And same will be for getting the tail as well, right? 1 divided by total sample space, that is 2. And if you want to get the probability of getting head or tail, you can actually take the sum of these two probabilities, and that will come out to be 1. And that is logical as well, because when you flip the coin, probability of getting head or tail is 100%, right? You will get either head or tail. That's why the probability is getting 1 year, which is 100%. Now let us take a look at more complex example where we are gonna flip the two coins. So when you flip the two coins, here is the total sample space. So first coin, let us say it gets head, then there is two possibilities of getting another coins, right? It can be head or tail. And let us say if the first coin flipped and it comes out to be tail, then for the second coin there are again two possibilities. So total probabilities or sample space. So total sample space in this case is HH, HT, HH, HT, then TH and TT, TH and TT. So this is the total sample space when two coins are flipped. Now, if you want to find the sample space for at least one head, then it will be this one, HT, HT, TH. So in these instances, we are getting at least one head. And then it is easy to find the probability, right? All you have to do is that just get the count. Here it is 3, here it is 4. So 3 by 4 will be the probability to get at least one head. Then let us look at an example where we are flipping three coins. So similar approach you have to follow. First coin you flipped and you get head. Then second coin, there are two possibilities, tail or head. And for the third coin, again head, tail, head, tail. So the total sample space will be HTH, then HTT, HTH, HTT, then HHH and HHT, HHT. And the same way, first coin you can flip and then get T. So there are again these possibilities, right? TTH, then TTT, then THH, and THT. So the sample space in this case is 8, total sample space. Now let us find the probability of getting at least one head. So in this total space, in which instances we are getting at least one head? So in all the instances except this one. That means 7. So 7 by 8, that will be the probability of getting at least one head. Probability of getting all head or tail. All head is this one and all tail is this one. So there are two possibilities, right? So it will be 2 divided by 8, which is 1 by 4. Or you can also take the individual probabilities of getting all the heads, that is 1 by 8, and probability of getting all the tails, that is 1 by 8, and then take the sum of that. So to solve these problems of probabilities, all you have to do is that you have to find the total sample space, get the count of that, and then find the sample space for the desired event, and then get the count of that, and then just take the division. And there is another example over here, a six-sided die. So sample space in this case is either you will get these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So there are total 6 possibilities, right? Now the probability of getting odd number is you can either get 1, 3, or 5. So 3 possibilities, right? So 3 divided by 6. Total possibility is 6. That is 1 by 2. Then probability of odd or even number. So it is gonna be 1, that is 100% you will get either odd or even number. Probability of getting a number that is greater than 3. So sample space in this case will be greater than 3, that means 4, 5, and 6. So total sample space, desired sample space is 3, and divided by the total sample space. And finally we have got probability of number that is less than or equal to 5. Less than or equal to 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So sample space here 5, and divided by total sample space 6. That's it. So it's very simple to find the probabilities if you know the basics. Just find the total sample space and then get the count of that, and then find the total sample space for the desired outcomes. And that's it. Just divide those two numbers. Thank you for watching.